Hey, what's up guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm gonna share with you Chrome extension that will help you rank your Fiverr gig and also help you in Fiverr keyword research. I understand the fact that there are a lot of people who are searching for best keywords for them to use on their gigs, but unfortunately don't know, or they don't know how to research the best keywords for their own gig. So be it any niche you are on Fiverr, so the tools I'll be sharing with you, which you can use with your Chrome extension, this will help you in keyword research and also suggest you the best keyword that you can use on your Fiverr gig. So if I dropped a video in 2 days ago, so which I discussed about how to do keyword research as well within the marketplace, which is Fiverr. So let's say for instance you input like let's say ebook writing. Okay, so let's say for instance ebook writing. So there are some keywords here that you'll be seeing on Fiverr. So there are some keywords here that you'll be seeing on Fiverr. So wait and see what will happen here. So I've actually installed the extension on my own Chrome browser, so you will see what I'm actually talking about here. So let's wait for it to load all the keywords. Great. So you can see all these keywords here. These are the keywords that buyers are searching based on 24 hours in a day. So this is top ranking keywords on all these niches. You can see here in ebook writer we have 24, ebook writing we have 18, ebook we have 17, ghost writer we have 17, ghost writing we have 11. So these keywords and the numbers are depends on how people are searching within this keyword on the Fiverr marketplace. I hope you understand the information I'm trying to pass through. So with all these keywords listed here, you can see all these keywords on people on the seller's gig as well. And also with this one, you can see this is what this seller is having in queue. So this is the order that this seller is having in queue. Let's click and see. So we can actually see what you can see here. So the seller is having 11 orders in queue. You can see it here as well. So 11 orders in queue. This one is having 7 and 40 ratings, and you can see this one as well. So this one is having 6 orders in queue, and this one is having 29 orders in queue. So this is the extensions that help you to see, or that help me to see all these keywords in front page of the Fiverr marketplace. So you can also check there before installing this Chrome. So you can see that you won't be able to see all these kind of things on your own Fiverr. So but after installing the software, installing the Chrome extension, you'll be able to see all these keywords that buyer or the seller are having on their gig. So the keyword, sorry, I'm actually saying software saying. So the Chrome extension is Fiverr quick view. Okay, once you put Fiverr quick view on your Google search, so you'll be able to see the extension here. So you can see here I've already have the Chrome extension installed to my own browser, so I'll be able to see everything here. So you can see here, you can see all these keywords, and this will also help you in ranking your gigs, because if you make sure you have low competitive keywords attached to your high competitive keywords, definitely both keywords or all the keywords will work together to rank your gig perfect on the Fiverr marketplace. So let's say for instance you have ebook writer, ebook writing, then ebook ghostwriter. So you can actually implement everything on your single gig. Let's say for instance now. Okay, I'm coming. So I want to perform an example so that you'll be able to understand what I'm trying to pass through here. So let's say for instance I will copy your ebook writer. So first one is ebook writer. Ebook writer. Put comma there. Then search for the second keyword, which is ebook writing. Okay. Ebook writing. Then you search for low competitive keywords, which is, you can choose this, ebook ghostwriter. Ebook ghostwriter. Then you add one more. Trying to find the best one. Okay. You can choose business writing. You can choose business writing. Okay. And business writing. The very low competitive keywords here is ebook writer. I'm very low for sure. So you can see where is ebook writer. Okay, ebook ghostwriter, sorry. Ebook ghostwriter. We have 5 here. But business writing, okay, we have 2. So, but of course, this business writing, people are actually using it more than ebook ghostwriter. Let's say, for instance, now let's copy these keywords, then go to Fiverr, then search. Let's check on the gigs that are available with each keyword. So you can see here we have 4,000 gigs with this ebook ghostwriter. So let's check on business writing. Business writing. You can see what I'm saying. This is the thing. You can see here, this is 6,000. So you can actually implement all these keywords together to form a perfect keyword. And also, you have to take note of this. You need to make sure you use all these keywords in your gig tags as well as the gig description as well. You need to know how you will implement everything perfectly so that everything will work hand to hand, and definitely it will rank your gig perfect on Fiverr marketplace and outrank other sellers, because most people don't set up their gig this way. I hope you understand me. So you can choose low competitive keywords here, implement it with high competitive keyword, because if people are searching your gig with the low competitive keyword, definitely it will also appear on the high competitive keyword if you get order with all these low competitive keywords. So it will help you in ranking with high competitive keywords. Such thing applies to YouTube ranking as well. If you are using low competitive keyword, definitely if people are searching through that keyword, it will help you rank over with high competitive keyword, because they will definitely know that people are actually searching for your service and people are buying your service. So that is how this software works. So if you use it perfectly in the right way, definitely you will increase in your gig ranking and also get an order more than the way you used to get it before. And I think there is nothing else I need to explain on these tools. So you can see how it works. So there is no any hidden things here. So you can see everything here. It just depends. You can actually research on each keywords and you will be able to know the one that you should apply on your gig and the one you should not apply on your gig. So I hope you understand this, and if you have any question, you can drop a comment and I'll be very more than happy to reply to your comments. See you in the next video.